Hello students, welcome to the topic of tongue and groove joint on T tabletop and assembly. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to make a tongue and groove joint on top plank, prepare the wooden peg, assemble the T table frame and fix the top plank on T table frame.
Materials, tools and equipments: sandpaper, wood screw, wood glue, hardwood, portable power circular saw machine, router tool, dado stack blade, chisels, mallet or hammer, measuring and marking tools, screwdriver, drilling machine, bar clamp, clamps, wooden mallet or block, sanding tools, finishing supplies. Process: check the wooden pieces for its size using folding rule. Plane the pieces to the required width and thickness to square 225 x 15 x 770 mm, one number, and 240 x 15 x 770 mm, one number. Mark and make the tongue and groove joint for total length of T tabletop. 225 x 15 x 750 mm, one number, and 240 x 15 x 750 mm, one number. When both the tongue part and groove part is ready, apply glue on the surfaces of tongue and groove parts. Fix the tongue part by inserting tongue along the groove and check the alignment. If the alignment is proper, clamp it in a bar clamp. Allow the glue to dry. Remove the bar clamp from the plank. Finish the T-table plank using smoothing plank. Check the T-tabletop plank its size 450 x 15 x 750 mm using folding rule. Mark the drill hole position, point, on center of all the mortises on 4 legs of T-table. Prepare the wooden pegs as required. Apply the Fevicol evenly on mortises and tenon surface on one side of the frame pieces. Assemble the side frame pieces together properly. Place the side frame on the bar clamp and tighten it. Mark the drill hole on marked points of drill hole. Apply Fevicol on the surface of wooden peg. Insert and drive the wooden peg through the drilled hole. Cut off the projected wooden pegs. Repeat the same procedure for the other side frame. Apply the glue on top and bottom of other two side rails, tenon and mortises, dovetail socket and pins. Assemble both the glued side frame together properly. Place the bar clamp on the frame assembly. Tighten the bar clamp. Make the drill hole on marked points. Apply glue on the surface of wooden peg. Insert and drive the wooden peg through the drilled hole properly. Cut off the projected wooden pegs. Repeat the same procedure for assembling, drilling and fixing the wooden peg on the other side frame. Mark the frame measurements on top plank. Mark the measurements on top plank to make a drill hole for fixing the screws. Make the drill hole on the marked points. Countersunk the drill hole on top surface of the top plank. Drive the screws through the drill hole till it is seated below the surface level. Cover the drilled surface using putty. Smooth all the surfaces of the tea table using sandpaper. Finish the tea table. Prepare the wooden peg. Place the wooden peg on bench hook. Taper the peg on one side using firmer chisel. Turn the peg and place the tapered surface down to the bench hook. Taper the other side of page using firmer chisel. Repeat the same procedure on other two sides. Cut the wooden pieces into 12 into 12 into 60 mm length.
In this video, we learned how to make a tongue and groove joint on top plank, prepare the wooden peg, assemble the tea table frame and fix the top plank on tea table frame.